Wow, this is awesome.
Look how big this is.
Here, this is the playpen. You got kids, you need a Lightship.
Feels really large and open inside because you do have those windows that go all around.
And bright. It was super light inside. Really spacious, and the storage was pretty nice and streamlined.
The bathroom for my wife, I couldn't get her out of there. She likes this more than our house back home.
Absolutely futuristic. When you think about like all the high tech coming out today, like this is like the epitome of all of the cool stuff that you want to see. Like in an RV, you go camping. So now you get out there and you get to get all of the luxuries of home and the new high tech world while you're out in the middle of nowhere in nature.
This is so cool!
I think using it as part of the CoLab stage, you know, for recording studios, we're using it as a tattoo studio today. It just goes to show how versatile the Lightship actually can be.
That was perfect, you can't write that. I thought it was fantastic. The AC was bumping in there. It's like hot out here. It felt great. Sound in there was great too, acoustics. Do some more shows in there.
I actually love how big the bathroom is. Like the concept of just being able to close the door and have the whole shower, everything just watered down from the whole top to finish. The other thing is my husband is 6'3", so having that tall ceiling is a requirement.
I like what you've done with the power assist, kind of like an e-bike, where it knows if you're accelerating or deaccelerating.
It will make towing so much more fuel efficient, whether you have an electric vehicle or a fuel vehicle. That was a really cool feature. I'm really impressed.
I'm a mountain camper, beach camping, desert camping. This is just kind of one of those campers that I feel is very flexible in all three of those environments, which are vastly different.
There are so many people that could use the AE.1. If you enjoy camping, if you enjoy getting out into the outdoors, if you love design, if you love EVs, like there's something for so many folks and that excites them.
I think it's more of a mindset. People who want to do more, want to be outdoors more, want to engage more with family and just be open more. They want to just experience more all around, challenge themselves, challenge the people around them, and just be better all around.